everyone, welcome or welcome back. I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm gonna talk about a brand new launch by Kama Ayurveda. It's their Briganti hair cleanser. Now if you remember last month के जो monthly haul होते हैं उसमें मैंने आपको अपना ये इसका 50 ml वाला cleanser दिखाया था और मैं आपको बताया था कि I have loved it and I have repurchased it, but मुझे तब तक ये bottle नहीं मिली थी. So finally I have received this one and now I'm gonna share my experience with this one. You already know that I love this one, but why I love this one I'm gonna tell you in this video, including a live demo with this product. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. So first of all, this product is available in two different sizes. Of course, one is 50 ml and one is 200 ml. This is a trial size product and it's a full size product, and it comes in this tinted bottle with a pump on the top. Now this has a very good ingredient list. On the top you're gonna see some mild surfactants, and then it has glycerin, which is a great humectant which gonna condition your hair, and then it has a few soothing and calming ingredients like betaine is there and D-panthenol is there. And then apart from that, it do have some moisturizing and repairing ingredients like hydrolyzed soya protein and hydrolyzed vegetable protein. And then it has two of the anti-inflammatory ingredients such as sodium PCA and rosemary essential oil. Now these two ingredients are anti-inflammatory and these gonna help in controlling your dandruff as well. Then we have amla ka extract in this one, which we all know has a lot of benefits for your hair. It helps in premature graying, it helps in controlling your dandruff, it promotes the hair growth. Then it has indigo extract. Now what does indigo do? Indigo has similar kind of benefits as amla do. It also helps in premature graying, it promotes your hair growth. If you have baldness, it helps in treating the baldness, and then of course it helps in reducing the dandruff as well. And if you have any kind of a scalp infection, it helps in treating that as well. And then we have licorice extract. Now licorice helps in promoting the blood circulation in the scalp and nourish the roots by supplying vital nutrients to the hair follicles. It also helps in conditioning your hairs and it helps in making your hair healthy and shiny. And last में this has Bhringraj ka extract, which we all know it helps in promoting the hair growth, strengthening your hairs and prevent graying and dandruff. So these four ingredients which are natural extract, they help in dandruff. Okay, one, it gonna control your dandruff, premature graying, promote hair growth, nourish your hair, soothe the scalp. So all those benefits you're gonna get from this one cleanser. Now my experience with this one is really amazing. You guys already know I have loved it. That's why I have got this bigger jar of this one. Now consistency of this one is a very runny liquid like consistency. It's a brown color ka solution and it lather up really well. It cleans your scalp really well. कोई भी buildup होता है आपके scalp के, उसको बहुत अच्छे से ये clean करता है without making your hair strands dry. Okay, generally क्या होता है कि कोई cleanser अगर आपके ऑयली स्कैल्प पे सूट करता है, लाइक अगर आपका जो एक्सेस ऑयल है उसको अच्छे से अगर रिमूव करता है तो साथ के साथ आपके जो ये स्ट्रैंड्स होते हैं ना, इनको बहुत ज़्यादा ड्राई बना देता है. बट इन दिस केस इट हेल्प्स इन नरिशिंग योर हेयर स्ट्रैंड्स एज वेल एज इट कंट्रोलिंग द एक्सेस ऑयल एंड एज वेल एज इट्स nourishing your hairs as well. It's not making your strands dry. So I personally love this one, and after using this one my hair feel so amazing. Like you can see the shine, you can see the volume, and I just love my hair when I use this one. This is one of my favorite cleanser till now I have discovered. Like I just love this one. This product claims that it gonna nourish your hairs, it gonna provide volume to your hairs, and it gonna repair your hair. So definitely it passes the claims because ये सारे claims को पूरा करता है. मुझे मेरे dandruff पे भी control मिला है इसको यूज़ करने के बाद, and मेरा जो oily scalp है वो भी अच्छे से clean होता है और मुझे बिल्कुल भी oiliness feel नहीं होती है. And at the same time it nourishes my hairs as well, and it do provide volume to my hairs. You can see, right? You can see my hairs are voluminous, they are shiny, they are silky, they are smooth, and they are nourished. So I just love this one. Now I would say if you haven't tried this one out now yet, and if you have a dandruff ka issue, you have oily scalp ka issue, itchiness ka issue, try this one out once. I would say try this 50 ml once at least, and if you found it working on your hair, you can go for this one as well, because मैंने पहले 50 ml try किया था. I loved it. That's why I got this jumbo size one. So you can tell how much I love this one. So yeah, from my side, I will highly recommend this one. Do try this one out at least once. I'm sure you're not gonna regret buying. That is it, guys. That's all about my experience on this product. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, don't forget to give this one a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. I will see you in my next videos, guys. Until then, take care and stay beautiful and keep your hairs silky, shiny and smooth. Bye bye.